Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you this 3D wooden puzzle, Love, Handmade, Enjoy Life. So this is for a beautiful turtle, a sea turtle. But this wooden 3D puzzle kit actually has a clock component that goes to it, has everything you need to put it together. So first of all, it comes in this really nice gift box. These are all of the pieces of the puzzle. Look how beautiful. Let me pull out a couple of these. This is the front piece. These are some more of them. So you're going to pop these little pieces out. You're going to put the puzzle together. The instructions, very, very easy to understand, to put the entire thing together with no problems. And then once you get it all put together, we also have the clock pieces. So here's the hands, here's the motor, everything you need to make this an active working clock in the shape of this turtle right here. So I think this thing is awesome. Like I said, the quality of the wood, very, very nice. The colors, very, very vibrant. I think this is just a really great kit, really great gift idea for someone who just you want to give them something unique. I would definitely check this one out.